Use construction paper that's 12 by 18 inches 30 by 46 centimeters. First, take one of the longer edges of the paper and fold it up a third of the way. Then, repeat with the opposite long edge. Fold the paper so that you have 3 equal sections. Open up the top fold and squirt glue along the entire inside of the flap. Then press it down onto the other folded third so that the folds one come undone. The paper should now look like a long, narrow rectangle. After you rotate it, the short sides of the rectangle should be at the top and bottom. Keep the paper rectangle oriented like this as you continue to fold it. Pull one of the shorter edges up so that it aligns with the other short edge. Crease the paper at the fold to hold it in place. After you folded the rectangle in half, bring one of the flaps back down. Align the edge with the bottom fold, then crease the fold so the paper stays down. Repeat with the other side. Squirt dots or a thin line of glue around the inside of the 2 flaps you just folded. Press the flaps down firmly once you applied the glue to secure them in place. The side view of your folded paper should now look like a V. Use crayons, markers, or paint to add colorful designs to the puppet, for instance. You can also glue on 3D decorations like ribbon, paper, or googly eyes. Place your fingers in the 2 openings to use your paper puppet.